Hi guys, so this is a video based on the cheapest foundation that I found on NYKAA. These are under 100 rupees and let's see how they perform. I'm gonna tell you what I like, I do not like in about this foundation, and without further ado, let's start prepping my skin and we'll jump right into the video. The pros that I like, I'm gonna tell you straight away. It is very affordable and for a price that is under 100 rupees, the packaging is quite decent, but you can obviously use it as a BB cream and not as a foundation because it has the lightest coverage that you can ever get.
So I got two products, two foundation that comes under 100 rupees. Two of them are from Blue Heaven and one is in a dark black packaging and one is in a bottle, but it comes up with a spatula like so. Okay, so what I don't like is Blue Heaven only has two shades when it comes to foundation. There were only two shades. One was probably natural beige and one was natural. The natural one seems quite orangish and it's very much dark for my skin. Let me try it on and tell you how I like it or I don't like it. Let's see, let's find out.
But before applying the foundation, I'm gonna prep up my skin. First, I'm using the Bio Honey Gel face wash from Biotic. After face wash, I'm gonna apply a primer. Here I'm gonna use the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream as a primer. It works great when you apply makeup. It makes your skin get moisturized and retains the makeup right on its place.
I'm gonna use beauty blender to do this side of my face with this foundation. The more I apply, the more I feel like I am applying watery, liquidy solution or some mixture on my. It smells weird. It has sheer coverage. I'm not sure if it's covering much. Only making my skin look yellow or orangish. Not yellow, orange or pinkish, and I might as well have gone with my fingers because the sponge did a good job, but the product seems very much orangish on my skin. Now I'm gonna try this one with this foundation. This is the oil-free makeup foundation. It has sunscreen and it is matte finish.
As you can see, I have already applied the foundation on the left side of my face using the spatula, and now I'm gonna use a brush instead of a beauty blender on the left side.
Guys, see this. By mistake, the foundation went on into my eyes, and I'm just going on shedding tears. It's really irritating. As you can see, the foundation is not waterproof. I'm crying, and the foundation is wearing away. The tears that are coming out, and it hasn't even dried up yet. And when I'm putting my finger like this, the foundation is just rubbing off from the skin, and this is my original skin. So clearly this side, this foundation is a no from my side because it is not waterproof. It's like you're painting your face with this color that they have provided, and even if you sweat, that is, if you sweat, then it's gonna wear out like in seconds it is wearing out, and there is no way that you will go out wearing this foundation. So this one is a no from my side, a big no from my side. Thank God it's only retailing for 75 rupees, or else I guess they could have made it waterproof. Yeah, they are selling it for 75. I know you won't get great product like Maybelline or Estee Lauder or anything that's good enough, but making the product waterproof would have made it at least a bit decent. So this is a really disappointing factor. Let me see this side if it is. Oh, not do this. Oh my god, this is not waterproof as well. Guys, please don't go for Blue Heaven foundation, it sucks. So as my whole face is patchy and unevenly covered, oh my god, look at my forehead. I'm gonna wash off this foundation and come back. So I guess you have guessed what my reviews or results would be. Both of this foundation has failed miserably, and I do not recommend any of you to buy this foundation ever. But yeah, after using the foundation, my face has definitely cleared up and is glowing. I don't know why. So these two are going away from me, and I'm not going to recommend any of you to use it. Kindly do not go for it, because I know it's very pocket friendly, but then don't buy this.
So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching for so long. I hope you like all the videos that I'm posting. Please keep on liking and commenting on my videos. Let me know what all should I try next in the comment section below, and I'll be trying to do that for you. I'll see you next time. Bye. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to tap the bell icon to receive notifications.